Yes, you got this. Do it for your mom. Your mom gonna be proud of you.
We did it. We are Nick and Sam Simpson, and this is Sims on the Go. We are in Railay Beach in Thailand, and we're rock climbing. Not well or gracefully, but we're doing it. I need a beer. We are currently on Railay Beach, about to go rock climbing, and we're so excited. We're going with a company called Real Rocks Rock Climbing. We found it on Get Your Guide, and we are doing a half-day rock climbing because
I think that's all we need. Realistically. And we are now here. Okay, we're gonna climb at the end of Penang Beach, the other side. Look quiet.
The rocks are actually made of limestone, which we just found out, and that's how they get their cool shape. If you've seen them or have seen any photos of them and they have these like cool V shapes in the water, it's because the water slowly erodes the bottom away.
when we were walking around yesterday filming our Ao Nang first impressions video, we did see like a whole bunch of signs that said to go rock climbing. I've never been rock climbing. Nick claims he's been rock climbing a lot, and we've been together for 10 years and I've never seen him rock climb, so we'll see how it goes. I'm a little nervous. Okay, where we are rock climbing is crazy. This is so cool. I'm terrified, but it's so cool. The guy was just like, I'm gonna go climb up and tie the rope so that you don't have to. Don't worry, it's gonna be nice and safe. I was like, yeah, you will be doing that. I think it's called a belay, but the belay guy is just like watching this other guy go up and smoking a cigarette. I definitely recommend doing the morning half-day tour because it's so much cooler in the morning. It's not super touristy right now, but I'm starting to see the tourists come in full force. But I would just suggest the morning, even if it makes you get there a little bit earlier than you expect so you don't get to finish your coffee. That's why I'm doing most of the filming right now, because he's caffeine green. He needs more coffee.
Because when you go down, you're gonna see.
I guess I'm going first on the low one. Why me? Do you want my rings?
The top, so it's totally safe. Lead climb, like I did.
And I'm exhausted, and it was only the lower route.
How was it?
Dripping in sweat, and my whole body was shaking up there. I did it to the lower one. Now I have to do a higher one.
In front of you have a lot of handhold, yeah.
You got it, babe.
One more.
There we go. Use that core. Traffic jam. There we go. You got it. You got it. Traffic jam. Woo! You did it.
I made it. Barely. It's the shortest one. I don't know if I can do another one. If you come to Krabi, Thailand, you absolutely need to rock climb. Check this out. Treacherous. Treacherous. I feel like I got up there fast, but also I don't know. I feel like time up there was just like, didn't exist. He kept telling me like, look at the beach, look at the beach. I'm like, I'm more worried about not falling off this cliff right now. But thank you. Like, all right, we're in Krabi, Thailand, rock climbing. It's awesome.
I guess there are like 5 routes that we can take.
I felt like I accomplished that one. I might just leave it at that.
That might be good enough. Okay, so while we wait until we go do another climb, I did learn a couple of things about rock climbing. So they're ranked in like 5, 6, 7, up to 9, and they have ABC. So it's like 5A is the easiest, 5B, 5C, then it goes 6A, B, C, 7A, B, C, up to 9B plus. I guess is like the highest of the difficulty. So the one that we just climbed was a 5B. So it was like the second to the easiest, or I'm gonna say the second hardest of all the levels of difficulty. I was talking to the guide and he said that his like top, when he was at the best shape he could do, he did 7C. But I think I have one more in me because I'm like, my hands are shaking. Oh my gosh. I mean, we're traveling and we're spending our traveling day rock climbing. Ow.
And right hand, far right. Yeah, more far, big pocket.
I did it. I got to the top one. I almost quit like 3 times. I'm exhausted and scraped. But I did it, and look at this view. That was the top. I had to touch this thing. But I'm exhausted. I need a beer.
But a little bit about the tour. We paid 45 USD per person. It includes all the equipment, and you basically just need to show up, bring your courage, and definitely some water and a towel and your bathing suit. We'll put the link in the description right here. Definitely, if you're willing to be a little adventurous while you're here in Thailand, definitely do the rock climbing. 10 out of 10 would for sure recommend, whether you've never rock climbed before or if you've done this 1,000 times. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, tell your friends about it, and if you want to follow along for our adventures, we're going to a little more of Thailand and through the rest of Asia. We go to Japan in like a week, so hit that subscribe button, check us out, we'll see you on the go.
You want some coffee?
Yeah, and a beer.
Can you turn around? Face to the rock.
Oh, I don't get a beer ready.